Start.
My team name is Chandrasekharan D. My name is Vivekanand Ramnayak. I am studying 8th class session in AP Model School, Pune.
My name is B. Lakshmi Narasimha. I am studying 8th class AP Model School, Pune.
My name is Arvind Vedha. I am studying 8th class in AP Model School, Pune.
My topic name is Laser-based agriculture field of protection system.
Background. Agriculture fields face numerous challenges including wildlife instructions and access leading to crop damage and yield losses. This project proposes a laser-based agriculture field protection system designed to detect and deter potential threats through the use of laser technology, ensuring enhanced security for agriculture accesses.
Objective. The primary objective of this project is a developed advanced field of protection system that utilization of a detection and deterrent measuring and system. The aim of provide reliable automated solution of safe ground agriculture fields from wildlife and human activities.
Meteorology. The system of incorporates laser repeaters and sensors analyze the position around the perimeter of the agriculture field. Laser beams from invisible barrier and distributions of caused by intruders, trigger and immediate responses. The system is equipped with automated deterrent mechanisms such as alarms or flashing lights to discourage intruders and protect the agricultural assets.
Key components: laser emitters create a network of laser beams forming a protective barrier.
Laser sensors direct disruption in the laser beams of caused by energy.
Microcontroller. Example Arduino. Process sensor data and controls the deterrent mechanisms.
Deterrent mechanisms, alarms, light and other different triggers upon interaction.
System activator. Laser barrier step-up field. Laser emitting established an inavailable protective barrier around this agriculture field.
Introduction detection. Laser sensors detect distributions in a barrier caused by intruders.
Data processing. A microcontroller process and sensor data to confirm interaction event.
Detection of a activation upon this interaction confirmation of deterrent of a mission are activated in the discharge of deterrent.
Real-time monitoring control influence. The system allows for real-time monitoring and alerts through a centralized.
Results. In attempt to demonstrate the system effectiveness in defecting and deterring intruders, minimizing the risk of crop damage. The laser-based approach offers an non-intruders and automated solution for agriculture field protection.
Conclusion. The laser-based agriculture field protection system of a prevent innovative effects of a solution. Safeguard of a agriculture field from wildlife and innovative access by the leveraged laser technology and automatic different system of a missions field security contributed in improved crop yield and systematic agriculture.